Hi everyone, Narendra here. Welcome to my YouTube channel. So, in last session, we have discussed about functional interface. So, let's today talk about Lambda expressions. So, this is functional interface, Lambda expressions, method reference, stream API. All these are very important new features in Java 8. So, let's we'll do one demo for these Lambda expressions. Okay. So, I'm creating a class. Let's say lambda demo, and I need this. So functional interface, last session I explained. Actually, a functional interface is a interface who is having only one method. Let's say I'm declaring one for functional interface, and I will define one method here, so which will show a message. So this, all method are public and abstract by default, so one method is there here, so we can say it is a functional interface. So suppose I wanted to implement this interface and I wanted to override this show method. So what is the way? So we'll see. So a obj, I'm creating a interface reference. Actually this a actually implementing an object of this, right? So obviously we cannot create like new a, we cannot do, right? So because we cannot instantiate a object of an interface, right? So it is expecting uh, a a implementation class object, okay, who is implementing this show method. Okay, so let's say I will create a class. I'll create a class called b, which implements this a interface. So it will override this show method. So let's say so here I will pass this implementation class object, and I will call this obj dot show, and if you run, you will call lamb, so it is calling that, right? So what is the other way actually to pass this implementation object? Okay, so you might be heard about anonymous class, right? So a class who does not have name. Okay, so let do by using anonymous class. Okay, so what I will do, I will comment this. Okay, so actually I will provide this implementation in inline here. So this a, I will try to implement the method here. So the method is public void show. Okay, you see, still you are able to do, right, by using this anonymous class. Okay, so you see this code, and this code is actually it's boilerplate code. Okay, it is not efficiency, and if you use lambda expression it will be like efficiency. It will be easy to write and see, and actually internally it is creating a object. Okay, if you'll see that internally it is creating this dot class file. Okay, if you'll go to this project bin location, you will find that. But if you use lambda expression, it is not like that. It is easy and it is faster. Okay, let's see how to do. You see here, this object is referring this implementation of this, which we did here, right? So this new a and public void show, already it is there, right? We are saying it is a interface which name is a, and we are having a method which name is show, right? Let remove this. Already it is there. We'll remove this. And as we are going to remove this curly bracket, let first remove this curly bracket. Okay, I am removing this curly bracket, then I'm removing this because already this is present here. Okay, so I'm removing this. Okay, because this interface is there and this show method is there, so I am removing this. Okay, so here I will add a symbol called as arrow. So this is called a lambda expression symbol. Okay, and you know this semicolon, let's remove it, is not doing anything, right? Nothing doing, so let remove it. And for one statement if you have, then we don't need this curly bracket as well, right? So let me remove. Now you see the beauty of the code. So if we run, and this commented code, let me remove, you see it is showing. So that means this reference actually expecting a implementation of this interface. So this line is done that. So this line is known as lambda expression. Suppose this method is having, it is taking one parameter, let's say int n. Okay, so obviously we'll pass, let's say we'll pass 10, and we need to accept that, right? Int n, and you can also print if you want. Okay, so if we'll pass a parameter, we can pass like this, and you see this int already defined here, right? No need to write, so we'll remove here and it will work. And you see this parenthesis also, a round bracket also not required if we have single parameters, right? So this will also work. Okay, so this is called lambda expressions. Okay, so it's possible because of this functional interface. Okay, so this lambda expression, this is actually, this object is expecting a implementation of a interface. So this selected interface is known as consumer interface. So what is this consumer interface? I will explain in next session. Okay, this is all about lambda expressions, you see. So how it is simple and easy to write. Okay, so if any doubt, please let me know. I will explain. uh, I will respond in the comments. Okay, thank you for watching this video.